Wait, let me see who's in the carriage.
Want to see her pretty dress?
Sure. What a lovely baby.
It's made from Gangnam. It used to be a blanket, but Gangnam sewed it into a dress. It used to have a hole there, holes on the bottom, and holes there. So that's why she sewed it into a dress.
Are you taking baby for a walk?
Yeah, with my Gangnam to find my brother to go off. He's like, yeah, baby. Yes, wait.
Oh, there he is.
Must have went the other way around. You guys, good thing I'm on this kind of bike. You know why?
No.
Because over there, I just saw a rock come flying right at my bike. If I were down the shout height, it would hit me in the face. Because it was about here or hit my helmet. I don't know which one it was. Bye, guys. But